Paki-expel ha, paki-expel. May nangis lang. Okay, good shit. Sige, push natin to. Push natin. Basagin natin. Basagin natin to. Kamusta kayo? MVP team sa right side? MVP team, Imperium team sa right side? Basagin natin, basagin. Okay, MVP team, go south. MVP team, go south MVP. Party 1 to 7, go right. Go left, left, left. Imperium team, stay on right. Party 1 to 7, stay on left. Follow me. Party 7. Party 1 to 7. Kung nasan ako guys. Help me.
Dami.
Sige lang. Minable to. South MVP team, kamusta? Status? Yan, binabanatan na ni Lucifer. Okay. Imperium team, pakikap yung right. Okay, walk forward. Party 1 to 7. Kamusta kayo dyan, Lucifer? Wala naman, no? Wala kayong kalaban. Okay. Kaya nyo, Darwin? Ano lagay nyo dyan? Sa right. Okay.
1 minute. Palang pag-chop.
Okay. Yung purple, pwede ba natin basagin yung purple? Nice. Hindi pa mahit. Okay. Sige. Sige lang. Okay. Party 1 to 7 commit. Party 1 to 7 commit. MVP, stay lang kayo dyan.
Ano mga pa sa'yo?
Party 1 to 7 commit. Natin to, party 1 to 7. Yung mid. Okay. Keep fighting.
Purple going sa south platform.
Okay. Marami, makapal.
Buong guild.
Okay. Sige lang, okay lang. Sige, cut natin to. Paki-expel lahat, thanks ha. Everyone sa mid. Okay, Lucifer, bitawan nyo. Go right kayo. Samahan nyo yung Imperium team. Bitawan niya yung Lucifer. Inside. Part 1 to 7. Pasok kayo sa loob. Bilis. Cap natin to. Lucifer, kamusta? Papunta na kayo? Okay. Hold lang to. Okay. Kamusta kayo sa right? Hindi kaya. May tao? No. Okay. Sige. Party 1 to 7, go left. Party 1 to 7, go left. Party 1 to 7, go left.
Kaya yung mga nasa right, apak platform.
Okay. Sige, take over. Sige, right. Yung mga Imperium team at MVP team, go right. Party 1 to 7, go left. Sige lang. Nakakap yun na, ano? Kanal ta. It's Jober. Ibigay nyo lang po star boss.
Dami na. Isa na lang.
GG.
Tayo na.
Sige na.
2 minutes lang pala yung ulti.